What family do whiteflies belong to? Hemipterans. What is the primary habitat of whiteflies? Plants. What do whiteflies primarily feed on? Plant sap. Which of the following is a natural predator of whiteflies? Ladybugs. What is the most common method of controlling whiteflies in agriculture? Biological control. What is the typically lifespan of an adult whitefly? Few days. Which color are adult whiteflies commonly known for? Yellow color. What damage do whiteflies cause to plants? Feeding on leaves. What is the scientific name for the most common species of whitefly? Bemisia tabaci. What is the main symptom of a plant infected with whiteflies? Yellowing and curling of leaves.